chapter Max, shapes and space. So already we see shapes. The shapes are two types. First one is a 2D shapes, then second one is a 3D shapes. What are the 2D shapes? What are the 2D shapes? Square, rectangle, circle, then triangle. This is the 2D shapes. What are the 3D shapes? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, then sphere. These are all 3D shapes. In today's class, we discuss about outlines of shapes. So, we see outlines of shapes. Listen here. This is the outline. Read. This is outlines. What's the meaning of outlines? வெளியே உள்ள இந்த அவுட்லைனை எப்படி ட்ரா பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ first you take one type of card or in your box, okay, then take this card and draw the outlines. The outline வரைய போகிறோம். Draw the outline. Okay, take a pencil and draw the outline. Okay, then what is this? What is this type of shapes? This is a square. Okay, so this is square. Then take one big box. You take one big box. Okay, I'll take this box. What is this? This is the box. Like that you take one box. Okay, you put the outline, you draw the outline. So you draw the outline like that. Okay, first draw the outline for all the sides. 4 sides you draw. 4 side என்ன பண்ணிக்கணும் இந்த மாதிரி outline to draw. What is the shape of the box? This is the rectangle. So this is the rectangle. Okay, first we see square, next rectangle. Then see, take this box. Take this. What is this? This is the box. You draw the outline of the box. Okay. So like that, draw the outline of the box. Like that, you draw. Okay, what is the shape? This is a circle. Okay, this is the circle. You take another book. You take your note. Okay, then take your note. Or like that, this. Okay, draw the outline shapes. First side, then second side, then third side, then fourth side. Okay, what is the shape of this note? This is the rectangle. Okay, so outline of the shapes we can see. So first we take one card. What is the card? This card is the, what is the shape? This is the square shape. You take your rough note and take a pencil, then you put the card in your note and draw the outlines. 4 sides you draw the outlines. Okay, what is the shape of the card? The shape of the card is square. Then you take one box. You take one box like that. You draw. Okay, you draw the outline. What is this? The shape of, this is the box. The shape of the box is a rectangle. Okay, then we take the circle. So you take the box, this box. Okay, you put in your note and draw the outline of the shape. What is the shape of the box? The shape of the box is circle. Then the circle. Okay, so we have to see some shapes. Okay, what is this? This is the duster. So you draw the outline. Like that you put. So draw first side, then second side, then third side and fourth side. Okay. So what is the shape? The shape is a rectangle. Okay. This is the outlines of the shapes. Next we discuss about space. What is the space? What is the space? Space அப்படினா என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா ஒரு இடைவெளி. ஓகே, அந்த இடைவெளி வந்து எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ சம் வேர்ட்ஸ் I'll write, you listen the words. What is the words? Top, bottom, then in, on, then below, above, inside, then outside. These words are mentioned the space. Okay, top, bottom, in, on, below, above, inside, outside. These words represent the position of the object. Okay, so what are the words? Top, bottom, in, on, then below, above, inside, outside. These all words represent the space of an object. The words எல்லாம் உனக்கு எதை ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணுது? உன்னோட ஆப்ஜெக்ட் எந்த பொசிஷனில் இருக்கோ அதை ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணு. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் டாப், a crow is in the top of the tree. Okay, bottom, a mouse is bottom at the tree. Then in, what's the meaning of in? உள்ள சொல்லுவோம். So a book is in the bag. On, a book is on the table. புக்குக்கு மேலே டேபிள் இருக்குது. அப்போ என்ன பொசிஷன், புக்கு எங்கே இருக்குன்னு கேட்டான்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ பொசிஷனை மார்க் பண்ணுறது தான் என்னது? ஸ்பேஸ். தென் பிலோ, see the below, a crow, a mouse is below the chair. ஒரு மவுஸ் வந்து எங்கே இருக்குது? below the chair. Above, a crow is above the tree. Inside, a girl is sitting inside. Then outside, a boy is playing outside. So this space, these words are represents position of the object. Okay, position of an object. இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் வந்து அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து எந்த பொசிஷனில் இருக்கோ அதை ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணா the words. Okay, next we see draw the 2D shapes. What are the 2D shapes? And color it. What are the 2D shapes? First one, square. Square is the first one. This is the square. What is given? Draw the 2D shapes and color it. So you write square, then draw square. After that you color it using a sketch or pencil or crayons. Okay, then second one is rectangle. How did you draw rectangle? So first side, then second side, third side, this is the fourth side. This is the rectangle and color it this rectangle. The next one is a circle. How did you draw circle? Like that. Okay, this is the circle. So you color it circle. Then fourth one is a triangle. How did you draw triangle? This is the first side, this is the second side, this is the third side. Okay, then color it triangle. Okay, this is an exercise. Next we see what are the 3D 3D shapes. What are the 3D shapes? Cube. How did you draw cube? Like that. This is a cube. Then cuboid. Second one is a cuboid. How did you draw? First you draw one rectangle, then another rectangle, then join the lines. This is the cuboid. Then third one is cylinder. How did you draw cylinder? Like that. This is a cylinder. Then fourth one is a sphere. How did you draw sphere? This one round. This is the sphere. So, you see what are the 3D shapes? Cube, cuboid, cylinder and sphere. Next, you count and write the triangles. This is a homework. Here listen. Some squares and rectangles are here. What are there? How many squares and how many rectangles? You count and write the answer. Okay. Then, so see the butterfly. How many rectangles and how many square? You count and write the squares and the rectangles. Here write the answer. Number of square. How many squares here? Count the squares. 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5. Okay, write the answer 5. Then number of rectangles. Write the number of rectangles. How many rectangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Number of circle. How many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then number of triangle. 1, 2. So triangle is 2. Okay. So we discussed about that lesson finish. We discussed about what is it? Shapes and space. What are the shapes? What are the shapes? There are two types of shapes. One is a 2D shapes and then another one is a 3D shapes. Then 2D shapes are square, rectangle, circle and triangle. Then 3D shapes are cube, cuboid, cylinder, then sphere. Okay. Then next we see outlines of a shapes. What is the outlines of shapes? You take any object, okay, you take this duster or any object, you take your box, pencil, eraser, button, like that you take. You take your object, any object you take and trace the object. Put like that, you trace the object, draw the outlines, okay. What are the shape of the duster? The shape of the duster is rectangle, okay. Then square, rectangle, circle, then we see. Then space, what is the space? Top, bottom, in, on, below, above, inside, outside. These words represent the position of the object. In the position of the object, that represent we have to use these words. Okay. So, we shall finish the first lesson. We see next exercise also. So, we will meet next class. Thank you students.